Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Maurice Rousseau. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and also hit the bell icon so YouTube can notify you whenever I upload a new video. So guys, in this video I'm making a vlog. I'm making some breakfast. After my breakfast I'll go to the gym. And also guys, please let me know if you guys want me to do more vlogs, because the sit down videos are very difficult for me to do because of my son. He's a toddler and my daughter is still in virtual school, so it's very hard for me to do sit down videos. So let me know in the comment section if you enjoy my vlogs. Thank you. So I will let you enjoy the video now. In the toaster.
I just decided to.
Okay, I just added salt in it. So now I'm at the gym, so I will do 15 minutes in the bike, and after that I will do a cardio and some abs and lift some weights, and that's all. So I will do a 45 minutes workout.
매번 야야야야야 불러 널 야야야야 내 맘을 고백하려고 타이밍만 보는 나, 그런 나를 넌 보며 왜 그러냐고 묻네 너 때문에. I'm going crazy. I'm going crazy. 무뎌져 버린 내 가슴이 뛰어. I'm going crazy, yeah. 시간은 계속 흘러만 가고 기다리다 지쳐 그만 널 놓칠까봐. 하지만 성급한 나의 고백을 넌 거절할까 거절할까 두려워서 매번 야야야야야 불러 널 야야야야 네가 제일 좋아하는 게 뭐냐고 물어본다. 그런 나를 넌 보며 대답 없이 미소만 짓는데 I'm going 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 crazy I'm going 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 crazy 무뎌져 버린 내 가슴이 뛰어 I'm going 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 crazy yeah I'm going 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 crazy 어쩔 수 없는 걸 널 보면 아무런 일도 할 수 없는 걸 I'm going 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 crazy 오늘은 너에게 내 맘을 고백할게 내 맘을 받아줘 영원히 변치 않을 테니 I'm going 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 crazy I'm going 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 crazy 무뎌져 버린 내 가슴이 뛰어 I'm going 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 crazy yeah I'm going 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 crazy 어쩔 수 없는 걸 널 보면 I'm going 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 crazy 내 맘을 받아준 오늘 완벽해진 하루 갑자기 내게 나타나준 너 난 아무 말도 할 수가 없었지 첫눈에 반한다는 이야기가
This is how you get a great workout done. This is sweat, honey. And this. Yep, 45 minutes. Now, let's go home, take a shower, and eat some food. Bye. So guys, right after my shower, I got a notification from the parcel pending that I got a new package. And once I opened it, it was my Tom Ford book. Yay! So excited. And on that day, I decided to take the kids to have some fun. So I took them to a new place. It's like a Chuck E. Cheese or Dave & Buster place. So they had fun. I had fun too, but they really enjoy it.
갑자기 내게 나타나준 너 난 아무 말도 할 수가 없었지 첫눈에 반한다는 이야기가 널 보는 순간 이해가 됐어 매번 야야야야야 불러 널 야야야야 내 맘을 고백하려고 타이밍만 보는 나 그런 나를 넌 보며 왜 그러냐고 묻네 너 때문에 I'm going 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 crazy I'm going 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 crazy 무뎌져 버린 내 가슴이 뛰어 I'm going 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 crazy yeah. 시간은 계속 흘러만 가고 기다리다 지쳐 그만 널 놓칠까봐 하지만 성급한 나의 고백을 넌 거절할까 두려워서 매번 야야
Okay guys, now I'm going to let the video play. So thank you for watching. If you're new, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also leave me a comment down below. Okay guys, I will see you in the next video. Bye.
갑자기 내게 나타나준 너 난 아무 말도 할 수가 없었지. 첫눈에 반한다는 이야기가 널 보는 순간 이해가 돼.